In the vast expanse of our solar system, there's a planet veiled in mystery and extreme conditions, a world shrouded in perpetual clouds of sulfuric acid and boasting surface temperatures that could melt lead. This is Venus, our celestial neighbour, often dubbed Earth's evil twin. The quest to unveil its secrets and understand its hostile environment led to one of the most ambitious and daring space exploration programs in history, the Venera program. The story of Venera begins in the midst of the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union during the Cold War era. Both superpowers were engaged in a technological and ideological competition, with the Soviet Union making significant strides in space exploration. In 1961, they achieved a monumental milestone by sending the first human, Yuri Gagarin, into space. This success spurred the Soviet Space Agency to set its sights on the challenging realm of interplanetary exploration. The Venera program was born out of this ambition, aiming to send robotic spacecraft to Venus to study its atmosphere, surface and overall environment. The challenges were immense. Venus's harsh conditions presented formidable obstacles that pushed the boundaries of engineering and technology. The first attempts in the early 1960s were met with failure, as the spacecraft succumbed to the intense heat and pressure of Venusian conditions. Undeterred, Soviet scientists and engineers persevered, learning from each setback and making improvements with each subsequent mission. The breakthrough came in 1965, when Venera 3 became the first spacecraft to reach the surface of Venus, albeit in a crash landing. This marked a significant achievement in planetary exploration, providing valuable data despite the mission's abrupt end. Over the following years, the Venera program continued to advance, with each mission building upon the knowledge gained from its predecessors. Venera 7, launched in 1970, achieved another milestone by becoming the first spacecraft to transmit data from the surface of another planet, enduring the extreme conditions for a brief but invaluable period. Subsequent missions, such as Venera 9 and Venera 10 in 1975, captured the world's imagination by returning the first photographs of the Venusian surface, revealing a stark, rocky landscape unlike anything seen before. These images provided scientists with crucial insights into Venus's geology and surface features, sparking further interest and intrigue. One of the most iconic moments of the Venera program came with Venera 13 in 1982. This mission not only transmitted detailed images of the surface, showcasing the rocky terrain and atmospheric conditions, but it also conducted sophisticated experiments, analyzing soil composition and measuring atmospheric parameters. The data gathered during this mission significantly expanded our understanding of Venus and its complex environment. The Venera program continued to push boundaries until its conclusion in the late 1980s, leaving a lasting legacy of pioneering achievements in planetary exploration. Despite the challenges and limitations of technology at the time, the program demonstrated the remarkable ingenuity, determination and scientific curiosity of humanity as we ventured into the depths of our solar system. Today, as we look back at the Venera program, we recognize it as a testament to human innovation and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The insights gained from these missions continue to inform our understanding. If you enjoyed this Venusian adventure, make sure to subscribe, like and share this video. Please take care of one another and remember always to be looking up.